Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's make it a great 4th, too. This is a quote by Colette. Hope costs nothing. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 23, NASDAQ up 28, S&P's up 3.5. All failed, folks. All those indices were up dramatically higher, sold them off twice. Bottom line, not only sold them off, folks, the amount of volume that came in at the close is pretty amazing. We did almost 1 billion shares on the NYSE. Very subtle moves. They're selling it down, and bottom line, they're still pushing paper out, and who's holding the paper? Bottom line, someone's always holding the bag. Gold contract down $7.40, trading $11.71. You had the silver flat out here at $15.68. Platinum off $260 at $1,079. Copper is down a penny and a half at $2.62 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1, $59.33 a barrel. Bonds 10-year down 7.6, 125.31. 30-year off 18 at 150.11. Both the 10 and the 30-year bond now want higher price, folks. They didn't make their full price projection of that ABC structure on the way down. The 10-year missed it by about 1.5 points. Bottom line, I suspect what you're going to see is that you're going to see higher price now, because what we had out here today in the 10 and the 30 is this. Now, they're negative, but they were pushing the swings from yesterday with monster volume. They almost did as much volume today as they did yesterday. What that sets up is higher bond prices, lower yields. That also sets up what? That sets up either a selling of equities very quickly, pushing into the bond market, saying, hey, I just want to be able to get my money back. That's what the 10-year and the 30-year will get you. Bottom line, you'll get the money back. King dollar up 750 ticks, trading at 95.70. King dollar wants to get into the highs that were established out here yesterday. Market, no doubt, was deviant as you can get inside the King dollar and the euro. Greek banks close, euro goes up, dollar goes down. Just the opposite of what a common sense deal would be. But guess what? Common sense is not too common. Well, no, that's a deviant move in the marketplace. That's all that shakes out to be. And more than likely, what that was on a fundamental basis, it was probably the European Central Bank buying the heck out of the euro with our own Federal Reserve dumping the dollar, buying the euro, to have a mask of what is actually happening inside the financial markets. Because you got to remember something, that fast currency moves are the quickest way to basically take markets south around the world. That's a fast currency move. Let me tell you something, folks. Always, not always, but many times throws the biggest downdrafts into the marketplace. The reason being is that even if the trader or the company could be right on the movement of the market, but if they're not in the right currency, they can get taken to the cleaners. Euro down 98, trading at 111.38. The yen down 13 at 122.42. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Now, in the world of the S&Ps, what do we have? Okay, so if we take a look at the SPY first, what you're looking at out here is this. We're pressing lows. You're pressing them with volume. And on a 2-day basis, this is pretty remarkable what we have. So we did 162 million shares today. 162 million. I mean, that's insane. Yesterday we did 202 million. On the weekly basis, what this is setting up now is that we're only 2 days into the week. The swing point that we're going into has 581 million shares. That's 204.12. That swing point was from March 27th. We've already done 365 million. So we're going to basically do over the 565. The real question is, how are we going to hit it? NDX 100. We take a look at the 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? Same setup in the 3 Qs. 3 Qs, the unloading very quickly. The 3 Qs had a sideways move out here today, up 38 cents. We did 32 million shares. You take a look at this in the weekly. what you're going to have on the weekly is this, is that the swing point that we're going into has 176 million shares, and we've already done 83. So in 2 days, we've done just about half the volume of 1 week. That is also saying, well, it doesn't say that it has to break it. It's saying that it's going to go after it, though, which is 105.99. That's the way that that is set up. Transports. Now, this is the big number, folks. The transports are the largest indice out there that are absolutely screaming that we're not only going to go to the October 2014 swing area, we very well may get to the bottom of that swing area. The transports are at 8092. The high of the 2014 area is 8169. The low of it is 7700. The transports are saying, hey, we're going to go to 7700. The correlation, just so you understand the correlation in between that indice and where I suspect we're going with the cash S&P is this. The cash S&P right now is trading at 2066. The top of, let me put this up for you 1 second, dollar signs. Okay, we put this up. So the cash S&P is trading at 2066. The top of the October 2014 swing low is 1912. So you're talking about, what? That's 150 bucks down, or 1,500 Dow points. We only went 8 down. That's the top of it. The transports have already got into that level, and we're going to go to the bottom of it. We go to the bottom of it, that's 1820. That's 230 S&P points down, or 2,300 Dow points down. That's where this market wants to go. And the roll is on right now. The roll is on. The volume is on. The price is on. Greece is on. Puerto Rico's on. Illinois is next. If you haven't heard about Illinois yet, well, guess what? All you beautiful folks in Illinois, you know you had a problem for a long period of time. Illinois is next. Illinois right now, basically, they're not next to default, but they are next that they got to figure out how to close a budget and get everyone paid, okay? So that's going to be pretty intense in itself. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, gold rejected lower price out here again. Did it with lighter volume, all of the above. I like the setup in the gold market. This is. So we got down to 1165 today. You did 139,000 contracts. That 139 is going into 159. They couldn't break it down. We need buyers. We don't have sellers, but we need buyers. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials up 23. NASDAQ up 28. S&P's up 4. We're going to be right back.